Hi there, I am Professor Nirankush Dutta from the Department of Management here at Pilani. I have been part of this incredible institution for over 8 years now, teaching digital marketing analytics, and it's been such a memorable journey. But now I have begun a new chapter with BITS called Pilani Digital, and it's exciting. Pilani Digital is everything BITS stands for: academic excellence, innovation, and deep commitment to learning, but reimagined for today's world, and more importantly, for your life and aspirations. Think of it as a digital learning experience built with empathy at its heart. It's designed to fit around your schedule, support your goals, and offer you the flexibility to learn at your pace without ever compromising on quality. Our programs cover cutting-edge areas like artificial intelligence, data science, blockchain, IoT, cybersecurity, and more, all crafted to help you grow into the kind of leader the industry needs today. But one of my favorite features is an initiative designed to fuel your growth, which we call the Ignite Cell. This is where we support you with internship opportunities, particularly after your second year. While internships depend on various factors, what we can promise is structured guidance, from connecting you to the right organizations to helping you align your learning objectives and tracking your growth through your work-study experience. It's about turning knowledge into confidence and learning into action, so that you graduate not just with a degree, but with real-world experience and career readiness. And this is just the beginning. I truly believe Pilani Digital is where potential meets possibility, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Hope to see you in the class soon.